Okay guys, this is our first vlog here. Right now my plan is for the evening to make a frozen pizza and kind of walk you guys through my process. So right now, what I did off camera was I preheat the oven. And what that is essentially is you set the oven to a temperature that you want it to get to or heat up to. And then you just kind of wait for it to heat up to that temperature, and then it'll beep or buzz or whatever, and then I know it's at the temperature that I preheated to. So that's kind of the exciting part of this is the waiting game. Obviously on my toes, but when it goes off, I mean, you can probably imagine the adrenaline rush because then it's on to step two, which is actually making the pizza. So I'll come in and come back in and check in with you guys when that buzzer goes off. But right now I'm just waiting, and I'm very excited. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take the pizza out of the box. So how I like to do this is I like to pick one of the sides of the box, the thin sides, not the flat end, but one of the thin sides. And usually, if you look, there's like a little seam there that you can rip open. If you rip that open, the whole side will open up, and you can pull out. You can pull out the pie there. Can't really do the same thing on the plastic wrap because there's no sides. As you see, it's just kind of one big thing. So I'm just going to try to puncture it using my thumb. It hasn't proven to be too fruitful, so go to plan B. Fork here, and if you take the end of the fork, you can use that kind of as a puncturing tool. So I'll get you a better view of this. So I ripped a hole, and I use my fingers to open it. This one kind of more difficult with two hands, or with one hand. Okay, so it's open. So what I'm going to do now is since the instructions call for baking it on a pan, I'm going to clean off this pan and then put the pizza on the pan. And then if you look, this oven's kind of designed where it has these shelves. So if you can put the pizza on the pan on the shelf, yeah, that's kind of how it's designed to work. And once it's in there, I'm going to use the timer on the microwave here. There's a timer setting, so I'll set it to whatever time it recommends. In this case, 21 to 24 minutes. So I'll go the low end of that typically, then kind of reassess, and then that's pretty much it. Okay, so the timer went off. Originally went off for 21 minutes, but I took a look at the pizza and just kind of used the eye test to determine that it probably needed about 2 more minutes, so I put 2 more minutes in the timer. That's something that I think you guys with experience can get better at, getting a feel for how much more time a pizza needs when it's in the oven. But now that it's done, I'm gonna take one of these gloves. They're designed to be put on your hand. The thumb goes right in there, a little smaller. There we go. Like that, like a puppet. But yeah, so I'm gonna put this on, and I'm gonna grab the pizza, squeeze it, and then pull it out and put it up on the stove. Here, I'll flip the camera around, but the pan is going to be hot. It has been in the 400 degrees for 25 minutes now, so it's gonna be warm, so I can't just grab it with my hand. So I'm gonna grab it with the mitt here, and I'm gonna put it on the stove and then let it sit for a while because it's just extraordinarily hot. Okay, so here I go. So I'm gonna grab the pan here, got it squeezed, and place the pizza pie on the stove, like so. I'm gonna close the oven. Kind of an important piece that a lot of people forget is you actually have to turn the oven off, so that way it cools down. So there's the pizza here. Probably wondering what this device is here. This is a pizza cutter. Use it to cut the pizza. You apply downward pressure and go forward. This is where you can kind of get creative. You can go, this way, get some diagonal triangular slices, or you can do just like this, perpendicular lines, and get maybe squares. This pizza's not big enough for that, so I'll just go the triangular slices, but I'm gonna let it cool a little bit. Still probably a little mushy in the middle there, so I'm gonna let it cool, and after that I'm gonna cut it up and I'm gonna show you guys the finished product.